Hey folks, it's Roden at Vernon Toyota, and we're taking a look at this 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback. This Corolla is equipped with the SE Upgrade package, so as you can see, it has a very sporty look to it. It also is currently sitting at 42,364 kilometers and has a price of $20,995 plus fees and tax. The SE Upgrade package is loaded with all sorts of different features, starting with Toyota Safety Sense, which uses a combination of cameras and sensors to give you such features as blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, pre-collision system, and dynamic radar cruise control. In addition to the Toyota Safety Sense package, you also get such features as the touchscreen display here, which will display your backup camera when the vehicle is in reverse. You have a heated steering wheel, which does have the steering wheel mounted audio controls and voice command capability, as well as heated seats for both the driver and passenger and a wireless phone charger. If you're interested in taking a look at this vehicle in person or scheduling a test drive here with us, just give us a shout at the dealership. Our number is 250-545-0687.